Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Roger Waters, This Is Not a Drill. With 25 trucks hauling a massive video and lighting rig and 224,000 pounds of speakers, Roger Waters, This Is Not a Drill is not your typical tour. We check in with the audio crew on Waters' latest outing, a stunning visual and surround audio masterpiece. Even after nearly half a century, night after night, the man who's still bad to the bone continues to thrill audiences in North America, Europe, and Australia on a seemingly unceasing tour. We visit with his sound team for the inside scoop. Almost Famous, this popular cult movie has been transformed into a hit Broadway musical, and Brian Reisman chats with Tony Award-winning sound designer Peter Hylinski about the show. In Installation Spotlight, we visit some recent sports facility installs that reflect the trend towards musicality, vocal intelligibility, and sonic impact to heighten the fan experience. Audio-Technica celebrates its 60th anniversary, and Steve Savanu offers a rare insider's look into how a one-man startup in a Tokyo garage eventually became a leading force in both the consumer and professional audio markets. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on dynamic handheld vocal mics. Are you still using 50-year-old vocal mic designs? We present some recent models that reflect newer technologies and improved performance. The Parnelli Next Gen series profiles up-and-coming pros making their mark on the industry. Kristen's inspiring story reflects how she parlayed hard work, church sound experience, degrees in mechanical engineering, and full sail training into becoming an FOH and systems engineer on major tours with 8-Day Sound. We check out this battery-powered 400-watt two-way compact speaker that goes beyond the busking market and presents a portable and powerful high-performance solution in many professional sound reinforcement applications. Steve Lucera looks into how this 2.4 gigahertz RF-based consumer audio streaming and data transfer format is increasingly becoming employed in pro devices and presents some facts you need to know about this evolving technology. You've done pretty well so far depending on your church's volunteer crew, but when is the time right for some paid professional help? John McJunkin, our man in the pews, examines the issue.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.